In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Qdrant to N8N. Whether you're looking to automate workflows or simply streamline your processes, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to set up Qdrant credentials in N8N for a smooth integration experience. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is set up Qdrant credentials within N8N. To begin, navigate to the Credentials section in N8N. Once you're there, you'll want to select the option to create a new credential. From the list provided, choose Qdrant API. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the rest of the integration process. Now, when it comes to authentication, there are a couple of details you'll need on hand. The first is your Qdrant URL. This URL acts as the REST endpoint for your Qdrant instance. Depending on how your setup is configured, it could be a cloud-based instance or hosted locally. Make sure you have the correct URL ready so that N8N can communicate effectively with Qdrant. Secondly, you'll need the API key. This is a unique key that provides access to your Qdrant instance. If you're using Qdrant Cloud, you can find this key within your Qdrant Cloud dashboard. It's typically available under your account or security settings. Now, if you have a self-hosted setup, perhaps using Docker, you'll want to ensure this API key is set up manually to allow N8N access. Remember, these two pieces of information, your Qdrant URL and API key, are pivotal in ensuring that N8N can interact seamlessly with Qdrant. Before moving forward, double-check the accuracy of these details. Entering them correctly will help prevent any connectivity issues down the road. Once you have both the Qdrant URL and API key, input them into the designated fields in N8N. Be mindful of any typographical errors, especially when it comes to URLs and keys, as these can occasionally be tricky. A small mistake could lead to your workflows not executing as intended. With everything entered correctly, save the credential setup. This action effectively tells N8N to use these details whenever it needs to connect to your Qdrant instance. At this point, you've successfully set up Qdrant credentials in N8N, paving the way for all sorts of automation possibilities. This setup allows your N8N workflows to interact with Qdrant's powerful data retrieval and vector search capabilities, enhancing the functionality of your automation tasks. And that's it for today's tutorial on connecting Qdrant to N8N. I hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel confident in setting up your credentials. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to make the most of your automation tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.